G'day. This is Maxi, bro. Today we are going to do the installation of the new spoon wide rear view mirror. This is for the Honda Accord CL9, CL7, and some other ones. So these are the list of what this mirror can fit to, and this is a standard mirror from for the Honda Accord Euro R. It's tinted slightly, unlike the standard CL9 one, and the side mirror is tinted blue, which is a standard feature as well. The field of view is not very wide. It's very hard to see the back because it pretty much is the field of view here. I can see just the rear windows, nothing else. I'm going to be installing this today, and stay tuned. So what I did is remove the mirror from the windscreen completely, and I had a Mugen cover here for the mirror, and then I'm going to be installing the Spoon Sport rear view mirror on top of this. So to remove this mirror, I forgot to tell you, basically you just pull it toward this way and just push it from the back, or pull it gently, and then it just pop right out. So here we are. We're going to be doing this outside of my car instead, because I think I'm probably going to cause more damage because of not enough light and not enough space. So what we're going to do firsthand, we're going to be using isopropyl alcohol, trying to clear this up, wipe this up, make sure there's no contaminants. Then we will put this on Spoon Sport one. You can see here. Hard to focus because it's, there we go. So we're gonna have this sitting on top of this. Alright, I have finished the cleaning up the mirror now with the alcohol. I'm going to use this mirror and stick it onto that one here. But what I can see here is this piece of glass is concave. It had a curve to it, so the middle part is going to be sticking out a little bit more. And if I apply too much pressure, it would probably be cracking in the middle. So what we're going to do is going to be very careful when installing this on here. Wish me luck. And here we go. This is the final product. You can see a slight gap in the middle there, so don't put any pressure on it, because if you do, it would definitely crack this piece of thin glass. You can see it's not very thick at all, so I don't recommend putting a lot of pressure on here and try to make it flush. When you do that, you're gonna end up having cracked glass. So here we go. I will probably going to be playing it safe by sticking some masking tape on top of this and put it sort of like holding it backward and stick it onto the back here. And hopefully that the tape would hold in place once I peel it off without having to worry about it coming right off. I'm not too sure about hot sun, like a sunny day. It could potentially be a problem because the tape might melt. For now, we just have to wait and see. I guess this is how you install the Spoon Sport mirror on the Honda Accord Euro R or Honda Accord Euro CL9 or TSX CL9. Okay, catch you up next time. Bye for now. I can see more before the mirror here is right at the edge of this area. You can see here, so this rear window is over here, so now you can see it right in the middle, and I can almost see myself in the mirror, so sort of like half there. And Another thing, I can see the side bit more, and if I tilt my head this way more, I can see the rear window just in the corner there. So overall, I think it's great. I can now see a little bit more than I used to, and the plus side is this rear view mirror is almost identical to the side view mirrors, so it's internal magnification. So you can see it's pretty much like on par with one another. So before, this one always like 1-to-1 zoom factor, and these size mirrors are a little bit more wider, so I can see my head in there. And this time pretty much more blue as well, and less sort of like glare from the back. We will have to wait and see in a few weeks. I don't drive my car much anymore, so this car pretty much is parking in a garage. As you can see, cover on the seats.
Your vibe and your attitude. Fashion weekend, so I take a Paris by a Jimmy Choo.